I'm going to be talking about some work from home jobs that you can get started with today so you can start earning money online. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel, Motivational Marketer. My name is Benjamin, and I just want to welcome you guys to my channel, and I invite you guys to subscribe and hit the bell notifications if you guys are new here. And just to give you a quick description of what this channel is about, I provide you guys with valuable content and methods that you can use to make money online. So getting into the topic of this video, which is why you guys are here, the first work at home job that I'm going to recommend for you guys is freelancing. And if you're unfamiliar what freelancing is, it's just simply offering your service in exchange for compensation. So the two websites that I'm going to recommend for you guys for freelancing is Fiverr and Upwork. So if you're someone who's skilled in web design, web development, video creation, graphic design, this is probably the best work from home job for you. So with Fiverr, it's pretty straightforward. Just simply go to their website, sign up, and set up your gig, which is the service that you're offering. And then you just offer your services to customers on this website. So when you receive an order, you just simply complete it, and then that's when you get paid. And you can also chat with the customers about the specifics of what they want done for their order. With Upwork, it's pretty much the same process. You just go to their website, sign up, and create your profile. But the difference is that you pick your own clients and projects to work on. And the website also highlights the ideal projects for you based on your profile. So the second way that you can work from home is by creating online courses. If you have a particular skill or knowledge about a subject that you think people would pay money to learn, then this is probably perfect for you. The three websites that I'm going to recommend for selling online courses are Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable. Udemy and Skillshare are pretty similar because they offer a wide variety of online courses. But whenever these websites offer special promotion prices to their customers, that means you get paid less for your course. That's why I would recommend going with Teachable, because when you create your online course with Teachable, you set the price that you want people to pay, and that's the price that they pay. You don't have to worry about your course being discounted through their website because of some promotion that they're offering. It's pretty straightforward when it comes to the price. The next job that you can do from home is by selling photos online. So if you're a photographer, this is probably the best method to work from home. A website where you can sell your photos online is Shutterstock. More than likely, if you've ever done a Google image search online, you've probably seen pictures with a watermark that says Shutterstock on them. So if you were to use one of these pictures without the watermark, you would have to buy them. So the way it works with Shutterstock is that they pay you a percentage every time somebody buys your picture. So this is also a great way to make passive income because you can sell the same picture over and over to different people. So the last work from home job is affiliate marketing. And this is my favorite method to make money online because you don't have to worry about selling your own products. And if you're unfamiliar with affiliate marketing, it's just simply promoting somebody else's products online, and you make a commission whenever somebody purchases that product. The two most common websites for affiliate marketing are ClickBank and Amazon Associates, which I'm pretty sure everybody's heard at this point already. It's free to sign up to become an affiliate, and once you set up your profile and enter your information, you can start promoting right away. So if you're looking to learn more about affiliate marketing, there's a free ebook download in the description called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. And what this book helps you do is it helps you decide what niche you want to promote, and it also gives you platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate offers. So that's pretty much it for this video. And if you guys are interested in my recommendation on how to make a full-time income online, there's a link in the top of the description and you guys can go check that out. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you guys thought about these methods. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.